Jess. Wanna wish you happy birthday. Siguro, taka ka kung bakit. At daw hindi lang sikreto. Eto na yon. This is it. Actually, siguro napapansin mo, past few days nagbubuluhan kami ni Kenny, kung ano. Eto na yon. Actually, gusto namin ma-surprise ka rin. At try my best na unan lahat, pero alam mo na, very busy lahat sila. So, I hope tuwa ka sa surprise na to. And sana pansinin mo ako sa Wednesday pag nakita mo ako. Actually, this is my second video because something came up along the way. But I wanna wish you everything, all the best. And thank you sa pagpirma mo sa limited permit ko. At salamat sa good friendship. Though it's been only 4 months, masaya ako dahil nakilala kita. Thank you so much, and sana mahanap ka na ng lalaki na magpapasaya sa'yo. But I know you have everything now, and you can do it. Wish you well. Okay, happy birthday and Merry Christmas. Enjoy!